guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a ninja bun, but with using Marley hair instead of the Kanika lawn hair. I decided to use Marley hair because I do have really kinky hair, and I thought that the Marley hair would be a better look. So I wanted to try that out, and I have this one gray hair that would not lay down. Like, it is right here and it's popping up, like it wants all the attention, it wants an audience, and it's pissing me off. But hey, it is what it is. I mean, I have grays in the middle, but I mean, popping out my edges, like, sister girl, you need to lay down somewhere. Like, ugh. So yes, I really like how this look came out, so I decided to record it for you guys. I wore it for Thanksgiving, and since we are about to start the Christmas series, if you want to see how I got this look, I will put the video at the end and you can watch my hair and then go straight into seeing how I did this look. Alright guys, so thanks so much for watching, and do me a favor before we start, click that subscribe button right down there. That little red button. Pretty please. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And don't forget to thumbs up the video. Alright guys, let's get into the look. So today I will be paying homage to all of the natural girls out there. All of the natural girls all over the world. I am paying homage to you today just for a quick second. Y'all see my fro? I haven't rocked my natural hair on this channel for a hot minute. So I am actually coming to do a natural hair tutorial. I'm actually going to be doing a high ninja bun with some Marley hair. And I am thinking I am going to try to put a little bang in there somewhere. But I just wanted to come on here and show you guys, look at my shrinkage. I just don't understand. Like, my hair refuses to even hang on my neck, but my hair is actually in the middle of my back. So like, I really don't know what to do. I usually wear a ponytail all day. Like, my edges have freaking gray hair growing out. I had some weave-in the other day, and yeah, like, my edges are truly struggling, so I'm just taking a little break. I am going to be using some black castor oil and just massaging it into my edges for a while. Alright, so I am going to be gelling my hair up with this Eco Styler gel. Now, I am not a big fan of Eco Styler gel just because I think this gel has been the reason why my edges can't get it together. Like, honestly. But until I can find something that I could get down with, Eco Styler is just gonna have to be it. So I am just going to take a big blob of this and go amongst my edges. My hair is actually practically dry, but my curls popping now. My curls are popping, y'all. My curls are popping. Curls popping. I washed my hair with the Main Choice, the ancient Egyptian line, and then I went in with the leave-in conditioner. I have been thinking about doing another big chop, but I don't know. I'm just having such a struggle with my hair right now. I don't want to do anything to it, really. But yeah, so just gel that up really good. Take another big blob and just gel the back up. And then I'm gonna start gathering in for the ponytail. The higher you can get it, the better. Sometimes I have to like pull my hair to get it to stretch because my curls are so tight. And sometimes I actually have to go in with a denim brush just to loosen up some of them curls, help stretch the curls. but it's better to do this on, like, you know, damp hair. But I've been sitting here for a while and my hair started to dry. So do your best. My arm is already tired. Do your best. Whew. All right, so now we're just gonna pull that tight. Brush it up. All right, so make sure that hair is nice and tight. Brush it up and then take the ponytail and just create a nice bun. Make the bun as small and as tight as you can. It doesn't have to be neat, but make sure it's small and tight. Right. Like so. Alright. So now I'm gonna tie my hair down. Let that dry for a bit. Like, if you guys know of any other types of gel like that you like, because this Eco Styler gel is not doing it for me. So if you know of any other type of gel that works and that can give a type 4, because I have 4A 4C hair, that can hold my hair down, honey, leave it in the comments below. All right, so we're gonna let this dry and then we'll be back to do the ponytail, all right? All right, guys, so my hair is dried. And now I am going to go in with my Marley Hair. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to take the rubber band, put it around, and I'm actually going to slide it in the front. Okay. So I'm gonna do the bun first. Make sure you pull it tight. can't even see. And pin that down. I need some hairpins. Okay. And then we're gonna twist and go in the opposite direction. Trying to see. And then I'm gonna take this last piece of hair and I am going to wrap it this way. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is my ninja bun with Marley hair. My hair is very crinkly, so I wanted to do a ninja bun. I wanted to try it with some Marley hair. Tried it for Thanksgiving. It came out great, so I wanted to go ahead and do a tutorial on it. If you like how I did my makeup, you can watch the video either here or here. I'm gonna post the link right there so you can watch it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, like the video, and please leave a comment, questions, whatever it is. I love to get feedback from you guys. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you later. Bye.